Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm coming to you from the beautiful Sand Run Metro Park in Akron, Ohio, to bring you the Jayne wig from Estetica in the color R30/2826. I thought this would be a very beautiful sort of autumnal color to wear for this very lovely review of a beautiful fall wig from the Estetica line. Now, as you could probably tell right away on Jayne, she doesn't have a whole lot of volume. She's very sleek, very straight, fits very close to the head, virtually no permatease in this wig, otherwise she'd have a lot more volume going on. So, whereas this won't be enough volume for a lot of people, for some people this is going to be just what they're looking for, because there are a lot of people out there who are looking for things that have a natural, very close to the head, sleek amount of volume, and that's what Jayne is going to give you. It's a very beautiful mid-length bob. Now, Jayne does have a lace front that is hand-tied, and I'll zoom in on that in just a second. She also has a very nice monofilament side part. Again, it's on the left. I love this color. I've showed this color many times before, but I'm gonna showcase it one more time just because it is so beautiful. And in the direct light, whenever it pops back out from behind the tree, it's even prettier. It's just a really rich, beautiful auburn. As you can see in the direct light, this color has lots of very beautiful warm hues. It's got that medium auburn blended together with that sort of lovely Irish red blended together with a butterscotch blonde. So altogether it creates a very pretty sort of middle ground between an Irish red and a strawberry blonde. So as you can see, Jayne is a very pretty mid-length, you know, hits right at the shoulders on me, and I have like a little stub neck. So mid-length, maybe even a little bit above the shoulders on some of you, kind of traditional bob. Does not have a bang, instead has long side layers that are meant to be, you know, either tucked behind your ear, or you can have a stylist trim a bang into them, or you just sweep them off to the side. Jayne has a hand-tied lace front, so let me zoom in on that really quick for you. So there is that lace front. Baby fine little knots. You know, it's not the thickest lace front in the world, as you can see by the way I'm holding the hair kind of apart there, but it is passable. I'm wearing a dark wig cap today, so where that dark part is, you can see that's where my scalp would be. The weight on Jayne is about 3.8 ounces, which is a little bit heavier than what I would expect from a wig with this hair density at this length, but it's not unreasonable. The front pieces, as I mentioned before, are really long. They're 10.25 inches. The sides are 8.5 inches. And the crown down is 13 inches, so very long in the back. And the nape is 5.75 inches. So let me go ahead and turn around for you so that way you can see what this one looks like from all sides. Now keep in mind, I have not styled this wig at all. I haven't even combed it. So this is what it looks like right out of the box. So now I'm going to go ahead and take Jayne off so I can show you what the cap construction looks like. So Jayne has a lace front, as you can see here. There is a little bit of additional space that you can cut from that lace front if you like, though it should lay pretty flat either way. You also have a dedicated monofilament side part. In any wig where there is a dedicated monofilament side part, even if it's in the middle, I recommend not changing the part around. Keep it where it's at, because otherwise you'll kind of affect the way the entire wig lays. There's permatease up here right where this rose lace is, though I do want us to point out that that permatease is extremely minimal. This wig lays very, very close to the face. It's meant to be very, very sleek, very, very straight. So the permatease is very, 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 very light. And in fact, it's very hard to detect even when you're searching for it. It's only there really to obscure the wefting, and beyond that, it's almost imperceivable. Then back here, we've got open wefted side and back with closed ear tabs, though there is no felt here, it's just cloth. We have a hook closure in the back that you can use to adjust the wig up to a 1/2 inch all the way around, though I will say that you'll get a lot of stretch. So if you're ever like a little worried about whether or not your head is too big to fit into an average cap wigs, try an Estetica wig. Most of their average cap wigs fit on the large side. You do have a fully extended nape. It is open though. It doesn't have any like cloth or felt or anything back there. And here's that hair texture up close. It is poker straight. So I definitely recommend carrying around a handy dandy wide tooth comb with you. And I've got mine right here. So you can very gently just sort of graze. Note that I'm not going, I'm not digging into the hair. I'm just kind of gently sort of gracing the hair superficially with the comb just to kind of get it back into place. And now I'm going to go ahead and put this one back on for you. And there you have it. This has been my review of the Jayne wig by Estetica from their fall 2015 collection. And so I thought this setting would be very, very fitting. The color on this again has been R30/28/26, which is a very lovely sort of happy medium between a Irish red and a strawberry blonde. So it's a very, very pretty color, blends in marvelously with the foliage behind me. And so until next time, I'm Heather, I'm from CysterWigs.com. Make sure you check out my web store if you haven't already. It's just www.cysterwigs.com. I sell wigs, I don't just review them. So every time you purchase from me, it helps me review more, which is great. And until next time, I hope you have a great afternoon. Bye-bye.